Today I'll be showing you how to make these fondant roses. Take a piece of fondant and roll it into a ball. This one was too big, so I broke it in half. Make 9 balls. Cut a piece out of a clear bag. Place a ball between the 2 flaps and press down. Make sure that your edges are very thin. Do the same for all of them. If they're not all the same size, it's okay. Take 1 petal and roll it up. Add another petal and another. Do the same thing for all of the petals. Cut off the excess and you're done.